Good morning, students. How are you? Fine? That's good. Students, do you know which day is today? Yes, today is 1st May. May is the 5th month of the year. So that is why 1st May 2020 1.5.20, and I am taking your classwork. That is why I have written CW in the maths copy. Student, do you know today is something special? Is it your birthday today? Is it your teacher's birthday? No. So, what is special? Yes, today is International Labour Day. Do you know, students? This day is also celebrated in India, and it is celebrated in order to show respect to the contribution of working men and women. You know, students, nowadays we have many corona warriors, doctors, nurses, the cleaning workers, right? So we show respect to them, we salute them for their contribution, for their work. That is why our India grows. Very good. Student, yesterday I have given you homework. See, have you done your homework this way? Mention the chapter number, page number 23-24. I have given question number 5. Did you write the question? Very well. I hope you have written in good handwriting. So this is how you have to write. See, 6th question also given as homework yesterday. Fill in the boxes. I have done this way. I hope you have also done neatly in your copy. Let us move to today's class. Students, I have taken question from page number 34. So I have marked this question number 7. Do you know why? Because when we started our questions, this was our question number 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 and this 7. So we have continued the number. What is the question? Fill in the box with less than, more than or equals to sign. I have written the numbers 0 to 10 before writing the questions from your book. So I have written the questions. See, if I will show you the book on page number 34, you will find this question. And how will you write from your book in the copy? This way. Okay, make the boxes properly. Fine, students. Once you have written, let us take some questions. See, 3, box 9. So we have to put the sign less than, more than or equals to. Tell me, students, which is more, 3 or 9? Look at the number line. This is 3 and this is 9. The number which comes on the right hand side, जो नंबर राइट हैंड साइड में आता है या जो नंबर आगे की ओर आता है वो बड़ा होता है, दैट इज बिगर. सो 9 comes on the right hand side, so 9 is bigger than 3. So the crocodile mouth will open towards 9. Okay, let us take this 7 and 6. Which is greater, 7 or 6? You are right. 7 and 6. 7 comes to the right hand side. 7 इस साइड आता है, तो it is greater. So crocodile's mouth will open to 7. Now students, let us take one more question. See, 9, 9. Both are same. 9, 9. Same. That means equals to. The parallel lines, that means the sleeping line should be equal. Okay. This was your classwork. Now I am explaining you your homework. Students, your homework is from page number 35, not 36. Your homework is from 35 only. Let me erase this. Page number 35. Okay, students. Question number 8. Arrange in increasing order. What do you mean by increasing order? Smaller to bigger. So here also I have written the question. When you will look at your book, page number 35, this is the question. Okay, so I have written the numbers from here. A, B, C, D, E, F. F parts are there. That means 6 parts are there. So I have mentioned in your copy A part. See, I have written the questions this way. You have also need to write this way only. So 4, 2, 0, 3. Then we have to arrange the given numbers in increasing order. See, 4, 2, 0, 3. 0, 2, 3, 4. Only these 4 numbers are given. Now tell me, we have to write smaller to bigger. Smaller means जो नंबर लेफ्ट हैंड साइड में आते हैं, जो पहले आते हैं, जो बाद में आते हैं, those numbers are bigger. So 0, then 2, 3, 4. So I have written 0, 2, 3, 4. And what is this? This is less than sign. Why have I put it? मैंने क्यों यहाँ पे लगाया है? Because 0 is less than 2. 2 is less than 3. 3 is less than 4. Students, now you are in first class. You will start writing these signs while arranging the numbers in increasing order. Okay? So increasing order में हमारा less than sign लगता है बीच में. Now B part also done by your teacher. 7, 5, 6, 8 are the number. What are the number? 7, 5, 6, 8. See, यहाँ पे तो आपको पता चल रहा है. From left to right आप numbers को arrange करोगे. So what is the order? 5, 6, 7, 8. Smaller to bigger. So I have written 5, 6, 7, 8. And I have also put the less than sign. क्यों लगाया less than sign? Because 5 is less than 6. 6 less than 7. 7 is less than 8. So ये sign लगाना ज़रूरी है when you write increasing order. So rest of the numbers you have to do this way only. Okay? So I hope I made your classwork homework clear. So do them neatly in your copy and enjoy your day. Play indoor games with your siblings and parents and don't tease others. Enjoy. Bye bye.